I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Crypto.com, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause transactions to fail. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Crypto.com app. Outdated apps can lead to functionality issues. Step 3. Verify payment details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Check for account restrictions. Log into your account and check for any notifications regarding restrictions or holds. Sometimes, accounts may have temporary holds that prevent transactions. Step 5. Contact customer support. If all else fails, reach out to Crypto.com, ask customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account and transaction issues. Sometimes, it may take a while to get a response, so be patient. I hope these steps help you get your payments through smoothly.